Hello students, class 11th. Today I am going to describe your next second lesson from Hornbill, and that lesson is we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. This title, We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, is a line in this lesson spoken by a child. That child is the author's child, little child, and when the whole family of author and some crews all were in life danger in mid of the vast sea on the voyage, and at that time everyone was trying to save life by saving the boat ship in the mid of sea. Then a little child of writer, when writer asked with his son how he was, then he replied that we are not afraid to die, dad, if we can all be together. And positive statement gives energy to writer, and he works hardly, fights against the vast ocean seas, and thus succeeded in winning against the seashore and succeeded in reaching on the plane, a small plane in midst of the sea to save the life of his family and crews. This lesson, We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, has been written by writer Gordon Cook and Alan East. And in this lesson, writer says that he and his wife Mary and another person were planning to go on voyage, that is Samudri Yatra, and they were planning for a long time, and they wanted to travel on voyage in same way as the cook has voyaged 200 years ago from the time of the writer. And in persuasion of this dream to have successful voyage, writer and that another person businessman who was with him as a friend prepared plan and also prepared things like wave walker 23-meter long and 30-ton weight of 30-ton, such huge wave walker they prepared, and for 16 years they practiced in the different waters. Water and waters, there are two things. Waters means the source of water, कलेक्टेड वाटर, जहां वाटर कलेक्ट होता है, वाटर का प्लूरल नहीं होता है, water don't have plural, but if gets as waters yes is added, then it becomes the resource of water like pond, ocean, rivers, small channels, lakes, etc. Different. So they passed their 16 years in practicing in different waters to face the different situation difficulties in the vast ocean. And then when they become habitual, then they started or they set for the voyage in vast sea on July 1976. And when they sailed, then the writer and another businessman who was with him as a friend, and writer's wife and his 6-year-old daughter and 7 years old child boy, all were there together, and two crew, that is Swiss Herb and Larry Vigil, all these started to sail, set to sail on the sea. And when they sailed, they started their voyage in three steps to reach to Australia from there to that is the, from the England. But what happened? First step of voyage that is 1,50,000 kilometer from England Channel English Channel to the South Africa Cape Town was successfully completed through the voyage up to the 25th, near about 25th December, but not near, but just before 2 or 3 days before, that is up to the 20 to 23 4 December. From 1st July 1976 to December, they reached near about 1,50,000 kilometer to the African Cape Town from the England, and this voyage had been successful, very easy, without any hindrance, without any obstacle, without any problem. But though they had faced some problems also, little bit, that had no value, and after passing some time on Cape Town, they traveled, started their second phase travel voyage. And when they started, they had completed near about 3,500 kilometers inside of the vast sea. Then real problem started to occur, it started to hit them. When they had crossed near about 3,500 kilometers, then weather started to become dangerous. In meanwhile, 25th December came, and anyhow they celebrated their 25th December in the wave walker very cheerfully and successfully. But after 25th December, the weather was going to be worse. So they were expecting from the side of weather, from the side of God, that weather will be clear, favorable, weather will change. Sorry, weather would change, would be clear, favorable, and weather would change. And the huge mountains, clouds, and hitting waves would go down. But situation became adverse, and in spite of being favorable, weather became more worse than earlier. A huge mountain hang over the head of the wave walker and crews, including whoever were there, and huge gales, heavy gales, fast gales started to blow for this narrator and his crews, blew down or made fall down the jib of the voyage, and in doing so they traveled. But on 2nd January, between 25th to 2nd January, they faced a lot of problems, lot of hitting of wave gales, waves, and after that on 2nd January, situation became more worse and worse. The storm started to hit, and a huge wave of the ocean, like looking like a huge mountain, raged behind the wave walker and fell down on the wave walker, and thus the whole crew group came under the heat of the wave walker. Though it was so huge, wave was so huge like mountain, that it affected adversely and anyhow broke off the whole wavewalker, all protected areas, etc. And when this wave passed, again another wave was coming, and after that another. Then the whole crew put on the safeguard clothes, applied safeguard instruments, etc. And anyhow they managed to save them. But meanwhile, on 3rd January, another wave hit the wave walker and broke in such way that water started to enter into the wave walker. Now all crew became busy in removing the water from inside of the wave walker, that is yacht, and on testing, narrator found that the pumps, hand pumps or pumps were smashed with the forceful hit of the waves of the ocean, and thus those were unable to throw the water outside of from inside of the wave walker to the outside in the ocean. So whole crew tried to throw the whole water by hand, anyhow they managed. But meanwhile narrator suddenly memorized that there was one also hand pump, electric hand pump or electric pump was there in the main cabin where children were lying. When he rushed towards that pump, he checked and found that it was working properly. So he maintained, connected the wire to that pump, and then this pump started to work and started to throw water outside into the ocean from the wave walker, inside of the wave walker. And then finding some relief, narrator asked the pleasance of children, and then the son of the narrator said that daddy, you are the good daddy, best daddy of the world, and if we all are together, then we are not afraid to die. If you, I, Sue, my sister, and my mother all are together, then we are not afraid to die. Having heard this statement from the side of that child, narrator gets emotional. But anyhow, he controls himself, and after that he determines that whatever might come, he would fight against waves, and anyhow he would manage the whole crew and his family, particularly his children. He goes back, he maintains, he repairs all broken parts of his wave walker, his ship. Wave walker means समुद्री नाव जो कि धाराओं पे चलने के लिए बनाई जाती है. दैट इज द स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ शिप विच इज प्रिपेयर्ड टू go to move on the to sleep on the waves. So narrator repaired whatever he could do. After that he finds that the swallowed part of the head and eyes of his daughter was now so bulky and so huge that eyes were closed and also giving pain, but he had no time to know to investigate that swallowing. He became busy in repairing his ship, his wave walker, and finally he succeeded. In doing so, he maintains his ship, Wavewalker. After that, he maintains compass, indication, etc. He checks his calculator, his maps, and finds that near about 15 kilometers away there is a France-based plane plateau. And if he would turn his ship Wavewalker, then he would be able to go there. And in thinking so, he orders his crews to turn Wavewalker towards east. And after that, he goes back into cabin to maintain compass. But there he slept, and suddenly he woke up near about at 6 o'clock on making wake up by his son and his friend, businessman. Then he finds thinks that then he thought that he had lost the opportunity to find out the plateau, but his son sad to hug him, to embrace him. Then narrator asked why he wanted to do so. Then his son replied that he was or his father was the best captain, the best father, because he had found the plateau to save the whole crew and to save the whole family, his own family, children, etc. And having heard this, narrator gets surprised, and in surprise he exclaimed with joy, rushed towards the main cabin again, goes there, and when he looked, he found that yes, now they were near to the plateau and were able to save themselves. When anyhow their waywaker reached near to plateau, they stayed offshore, and in morning, when other residents of that plateau came to know about them, they helped them, they served them, and they also helped in managing and repairing their wave walker. And thus, in difficult and hard situations, difficult conditions, narrator overcame over the gigant and huge vast sea waves, gales, etc. And at that moment, narrator wants to say that if we become positive, then nothing is impossible. If we work devotedly, then we will be able to to survive, to defeat any condition, to survive in any critical condition. And this energy came in him by virtue of the word we can all be die if we are not afraid to die if we all can be together. And this line was spoken by his small child, little child, 7-year-old child, and this line, this word, this sentence gave energy to the writer, narrator. And narrator says that whenever he thinks about the hurt of Sue and her reply that she did not tell him earlier because she did not want to make more worry when he was trying to save the whole crew and whole family, and he was fighting against the ocean waves. And again he reminds the statement of his son, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Then he thinks what situation were there and what positive thinking of his child, inspirational source were there for him, and due to this he could be able to win over all hurdles. And thus he completed his voyage, succeeded in completing, and by completing this he became memorable. He wrote this book, his essays. He was able to tell anyone about such conditions and establishing the example of encouragement and source of energy. Thank you. Have a nice day.